everyone, it's a beautiful sunny day here in Adelaide and I'm delighted to welcome you to Yugo, Adelaide City. All 118 metres of her, making her one of the tallest buildings in Adelaide and a whopping 35 stories high. As you can see, super exciting, got cranes coming down as we speak. So this is the downstairs, this is where the lounge will be. As you can see, lots of activity going on. I'm actually stood in what will be the gym. That's the first steel panels that have gone in. This is on level 2. Right here, we were talking about some of the views. So this is level 13 and still look at that view. Some of the communal space. But how cool are these windows? Level 35, looking out towards the east. How's them for views? So I'm now on level 12. Again, awesome views. I'm literally stood where the barbecues are going to be. So in here, this is where there'll be a kitchen that will facilitate everybody whilst they want to grab lunch or anything else like that whilst they're actually on this floor. I'll take you for a bit of a walk around. As you'll see here, this is a staircase, so you can actually walk if you want to up to level 13, where it just creates a real sort of sense of openness. So bring around here, there'll be some lounge seating. These ducts that are coming out of the roof are actually for the laundry, which would be pretty cool. And then coming round here, this brings you round to what will be the cinema room, but there should be a big TV in here and some loose seating, and this I believe is the media room. It's 35 floors with 725 bedrooms, so we're looking forward to welcoming our first students from around about the 1st of April. Exciting time.